Attack one. I don't want to do this, bro. I'm not that type of guy, but I'm gonna attack her. Sorry. How would you attack your girlfriend? How would I attack her? God, this is like, wow. This is like, wow. This game is getting very deep into the like the, you know, like the moments, y'all. God damn. Why this game getting so deep into it, bro? I would never hit a woman, bro. I'm not gonna lie. But if I would hit a woman, I would probably just. No, I would never. No, I would never hit a woman. I'm gonna just put anything. That's it. She died. You delivered a roundhouse kick to your girlfriend, Danielle Skull. Then your lamb stepped to her lantern, leaving her speech. I killed my girlfriend? What?